Alright, good evening everybody. Man, it's been a while since I made a video with you guys. Right, Vera? It's been a while, right? Anyways, show you guys where I'm at. Oh man, come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Stacking a lot of freaking trades. So there was news for Japan release for the GDP and the current account balance. The only thing that was positive that they were looking to see was the current account balance for Japan, which was better than expected. The speeches for US were dovish all today. Trying to see what else. Like I said, if you bought gold from Sunday up until now, it's already at 1350, and USD/JPY is already getting close to 107. It's at 108.1 right now, 7:45 p.m. Central Time, my time here in the United States. And so, like I said, Hurricane Irma is coming in this weekend. It's going to have a huge effect on the U.S. economy. What else has been? All day this, even London sessions up until this morning was all about Europe. You guys have noticed that Euro has been just still climbing. They're predicting 121, 122. They probably don't see it going down anytime soon. That's what they said. Probably not until October, when Draghi's gonna announce the something for the Central Bank of Europe. I forgot what they're supposed to announce there on that day in October. Trying to see what else I can talk about. I mean, U.S. dollar index is down at 91.3. Oh yeah, I'm trying out the Metatrader 5 on FX Choice. This is not a live. This is just a demo account. And you'll notice that I'm selling Bitcoin and I'm selling the dollar index. It's really weird. I had never ever tried their demo account on the FX Choice, and when you stack another position, you're not stacking another position. It automatically changes into a new position, and I don't know. I'm still getting used to it. I had never done Metatrader 5 on FX Choice. I done it on the actual Metatrader when you don't do the registration, and so this is actually on FX Choice. I want to try out their Pro account for Metatrader 5 because they said it's more detailed and you get more accurate charts out of there. And so I'm just testing it out. I haven't decided if I want to go into FX Choice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start the 30-week challenge here either next week, probably a little bit earlier than I anticipated. It's either next week or the week after that. It's one of those weeks. Where I put 1,000 in, get 1,000, make 1,000 profit every week for 30 weeks straight. That's 7 months and 2 weeks. And I already showed you guys the math already in this white sheet here. Remember, if you guys remember, this is the white sheet that I drew out, starting with 1,000. Right, 30,000 total profit, 15,000 with half of that's withdrawn, 30 weeks of consistent profits, 7.2 months. So, um, I probably, yeah, like I said, I was gonna go with FX Choice, and the commissions that you pay out are a little bit high. They're higher than JFX, and I don't know if I really want to pursue that. To be honest with you guys, I don't know if I want to be pursuing high commissions. Uh, I did open up another Finpro trading account, and what that means is they said if I want to increase the leverage to 400 to 1, you would have to open up a non-trading bonus account. And so that is what I plan on doing tonight here. And I probably just end up going with Finpro on that end. 400 to 1 leverage, no bonus, but that's fine because I don't really need a bonus. So when I put 1,000, that way I can see exactly that I have 1,000 to play with. Uh, the commissions are lower than FX Choice. Uh, the executions are pretty much the same speed, quick, fast. Even when it's volatile, especially when 7:30 hit this morning. So I've been keeping up these. I've been keeping that one phone, the black phone with the FX Choice Metatrader 5 Pro account, and then the Finpro on the white iPhone. And so I've been trying to see how which will move faster for the charts and the volatility. How much volatility can they handle? But they both handle pretty good, and so just want to see how strong the speeds are and if they're consistent with the speeds, especially when the news hits. Like I said, I'm getting familiar with the Metatrader 5 and FX Choice Pro account, just on the demo account because I want to see what's it like. And if you're stacking trades, you enter a new position, you don't, it automatically, like, what I did is I had a 25-cent bet on gold, and then I did a $5 buy on gold, and then it just changed into $5.25. But it wasn't at the original position for that 25 cent that I had. It shot all the way back up to 13.49, but that 25-cent trade that I had in the beginning was at 13.41, so that's $8 difference. So I don't know how they calculate that. I don't really know much about MetaTrader 5, so I'm getting used to this. And so I just got referred to just test it out. I'm pretty sure there's some YouTube videos about MetaTrader 5. I'm really not, like I said, I'm really not, experienced with MetaTrader 5 at all. Like I said, I could start, like I said, I could start early of next week, Monday, Tuesday, with the 30-week challenge for myself. And then it'll be with Finpro, and then I'll be switching the leverage 400 to 1, taking out the non-trading bonus account tonight. Other than that, I think that's all I got. It's Thursday night. I don't anticipate anything much for the U.S. Like I said, it'll be a straight sell. It's been a straight sell this whole week. Yes, they try to rally back up at 109.4 yesterday, Wednesday. But other than that, I mean, it hasn't gone back up. It hasn't gone back up ever since. I mean, it's at 108.2 right now. I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it hits 107 tomorrow, and gold going 1360 or 1370. I don't know. It could probably jump 10, $20 tomorrow too, depending on what happens to the U.S. And let's see what they got here. There's nothing really exciting for the U.S. really. There's nothing really exciting for the U.S. this whole week. Wow, he's speaking too? I did not know there's another speech. Did not know that. Interesting. I did not know there was another speech. There's been 4 speeches today from the Fed, along with Trump talking about what he plans to do with North Korea, the hurricane, and the debt ceiling. And so, and tax reform too as well. And they've been talking about that as well. And then someone resigned from the Trump administration, I think. And I think that's all I got. Tomorrow's my birthday. So plus I still got class. Yeah. So tomorrow's my birthday. I don't know if I'm gonna make in the video. We'll see if I make a video or not. And like I said, it's all I anticipate for the week here. Next week can be better, but I don't really expect it to be a whole lot better for U.S. anyways. You got the hurricane coming in this weekend. That's going to impact a lot on Florida. And then on top of that, there's still tensions against with North Korea. And then and there's still a lot of bad politics going with the Trump administration. So there's really not much positive outlook for the U.S. as of right now. I don't really see. Like I said, I thought everything would be a little bit better after Labor Day, but not after what I've seen so far. And so, wouldn't be surprised if this would be another bad month for U.S. and another good month for Euro, Pound, Australia, New Zealand, and all the other currencies, and for gold too. And so if you look back at the last year, U.S. dollar didn't really gain itself until the end of October. And so, never know. You never know. I mean, things could be a little bit better, but I mean, as of right now, what you see with the U.S. economy, you got the hurricane coming this weekend. The Fed speeches were really dovish today. Nothing good from the tensions between North Korea, and so that's all I got for you guys. And tomorrow's my birthday, so oh my gosh, I feel like I'm 30. So I mean, that's all I got for you guys. I mean, I appreciate you guys watching and subscribing, following me. This is nothing but a journey for me, and so I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I hope that you guys, like I said, I hope you guys take some knowledge and better your trading style and your skill sets. And I mean, I can't stare at the charts as much as I used to. I'm so focused on school, so. But I can't wait to get back into it for the springtime, because I'm gonna be pounding a lot of videos in the springtime. I'm trying to, like I said, I'm killing myself now for the semester, so I can take less classes in the springtime. And so there you guys have it. The 30-week challenge will start probably next week. I mean, that's as early as the next week, so I won't be surprised if I start next week. So like I said, we will get this up and going, and that's all I got. That's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have a great night, great Friday tomorrow, and a great upcoming weekend.